Today, we're going to compare the Roborock S710R and the Dreame X50 Ultra, two top-tier robot vacuums that also mop. If you're trying to decide between them, let's break down the key differences so you know which one fits your needs best. When it comes to cleaning performance, the Dreame X50 Ultra has slightly more suction power on paper, so you might expect it to outperform the S710R. Interestingly, in real-world tests, the S710R actually picks up about 5% more dirt overall. So even if the specs suggest one thing, actual cleaning performance can tell a different story. The X50 Ultra is a bit louder at max power, roughly 7 decibels more, though it's still not excessively noisy. In terms of obstacle avoidance and navigation, the X50 Ultra has the edge, easily dodging small obstacles like power cords, cables, or pet toys. The S710R does a decent job too, but it's not quite as precise when handling tiny objects. Both vacuums can lift their mops 10 millimeters when on carpets to prevent wetting your floors, but the S710R claims it can lift up to 22 millimeters for thicker rugs, though user experience may vary, so check reviews if this is important. For pet hair management, the S710R uses a dual divide main brush, which reduces tangling and improves dirt pickup. The X50 Ultra takes it further with dual spinning brushes that actively push hair into the suction path, making it ideal for households with shedding pets. Both devices have decent dustbin capacities, though the X50 Ultra's slightly larger bin means fewer stops to empty it during bigger cleaning sessions. When it comes to extra features, the X50 Ultra includes a retractable LiDAR sensor for navigating tight spaces and even has a built-in camera for capturing photos or video of your home. The S710R doesn't have a camera, but its slightly shorter design lets it maneuver under furniture more easily, and you can still monitor cleaning in real time through the app. Both vacuums offer smart scheduling and mapping features so you can plan cleaning around your lifestyle. Finally, price is another consideration. The Dreame X50 Ultra is generally around $100 cheaper than the S710R, which may matter if you're budget conscious, but watch for sales and promotions as discounts can change the value proposition. So, if you prioritize better debris pickup and quieter operation, the S710R could be the better choice. But if you want advanced obstacle avoidance, mop lifting capability, larger dustbin, and extra tech features like a camera and retractable LiDAR, the Dreame X50 Ultra might be a more suitable option for your home. Either way, both are excellent choices for keeping your floors spotless with minimal effort, whether you have pets, kids, or just want a cleaner, smarter home.